Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 312. For this column, we're just missing a 7. And for this box, we're just missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 1. 3 here, so 5, 3. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. No help here. 2, 7, 9. 7 here, 2, 9, and no help here. 2, 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 2, and no help here. 1, 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 8. 4 here, so 2, 8. So that means the only place the 4 can be in that row is here. For this top row, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 9. 3 and 5 here, so 1, 9. 3 and 9 here, so 1, 5. 3 here, so 1, 5, 9. And that means the only place the 3 can be in that row is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 8, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 1, 2, 8. 8 here, so 1, 2, 9. No help here. 1, 2, 8, 9. 9 here, so 1, 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 2, 5. 5 here, so 1, 2, 4. 4 here, so 1, 2, 5. 4 and 5 here, so 1, 2. So that means the only place the 4 can be in that row is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 5, 8. 3 here, so 1, 5, 8. 5 and 8 here, so 1, 3. 3 here, so 1, 5, 8. And that means the only place the 3 can be in that row is here. For this column now, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 2. We can get rid of this 2 and no help here, so 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 8, and 9. We've got 1, 2, and 9 here, so this is our 8. No help here. 1, 2, 9. With that 8, we can get rid of this 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 4, 5, and 8. We've got 1, 2, and 8 here, so this is 4, 5. 1, 4, 5, and 8 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 1. The 1 and 2 makes this our 8. The 1 and 8 makes this our 5, 4. Do some cleanup. With that 8, we can get rid of this 8. With that 5, we can get rid of this 5, and this 5. With that 2, we can get rid of this 2. For this bottom row now, we're missing 3, 6, 7, and 9. Oh, hold on. This 1 makes this our 9, 1. We can get rid of this 1, this 9, and this 9. So for this box now, we're only missing a 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 7, 3 here, so 7, 9. So now the only place the 3 can be in that row is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 7, and 8. And I don't see any help. So 1, 2, 7, 8, 1, 2, 7, 8. With this 1, we can get rid of this 1. For this row, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. Let's just dig in here now. With this 1 and 2, the only thing we're missing in this box is a 9. That 1 makes this our 2, 8, 1, 5, 7, 2, 9, 7. That 7 makes this our 9, 2. That 2 and 9 makes this our 1, so this is our 8. That 1 makes this our 2, 9. The 5 and 9 make this our 1. That 1 and 2 makes this our 5. That 8 makes this our 2, 1, 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.